Welcome to One Point Japanese. Today's Japanese lesson, grammar. This channel helps you learn basic Japanese, including vocabulary, grammar, kanji reading, romaji, listening and reading practice, with simple examples, and sometimes examples from the Bible. Today's grammar point is from JLPT N5. Today's grammar is 誰か means someone. We use it to ask simple and natural questions in Japanese. The grammar pattern is very simple. 誰か plus a verb, masu-form. Let's look at some examples. Question. 誰か日本に行きたいですか？誰か日本に行きたいですか？ Does someone want to go to Japan? Answer. はい、行きたいです。はい、行きたいです。Yes, I want to go. Question. 誰かコーヒーを飲みたいですか？誰かコーヒーを飲みたいですか？ Does someone want to drink coffee? Answer. はい、飲みたいです。はい、飲みたいです。Yes, I want to drink some. Question. 誰か教会に行きたいですか？誰か教会に行きたいですか？ Does someone want to go to church? Answer. はい、行きたいです。はい、行きたいです。Yes, I want to go. Question. 誰か天ぷらを食べたいですか？誰か天ぷらを食べたいですか？ Does someone want to eat tempura? Answer. はい、食べたいです。はい、食べたいです。Yes, I want to eat it. Question. 誰か聖書を読みたいですか？誰か聖書を読みたいですか？ Does someone want to read the Bible? Answer. はい、読みたいです。はい、読みたいです。Yes, I want to read it. This grammar point is very useful in daily conversation. You can use 誰か to speak politely and naturally. Today's grammar was 誰か plus a verb, masu-form. One Point Japanese lessons are uploaded every Saturday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Thank you for learning Japanese with us.